Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started. The first trade is Aussie Yen on the 20-minute from the 20-minute chart. Buy orders right there. All the trades you're going to see according to the setup because all the trades are getting opened by the expert advisor robot, automatic robot, right? So robot opens these trades. So on the 14th, this is the one, 405 pip, and this is going up pound USD for 80 pip on the 15th. Buy orders right there as I move to break even plus. This is the small arrow shows that this is the entry taken by the robot. This is our goal going to the upside on the 15, 200 pip buy orders right there, and this is the entry. The small arrow there, opened by the expert advisor. This one from 150 box size, and this was the entry here, 460 pip. The entry was on 15th and continue into the 16th and end up here. Euro USD orders right there. Buy order taken by the expert advisor here for CDS5 and then 105 pip on the 16th. On the 16th, USD CAD going down. See, when USD gets weaker, then pound USD, Euro USD goes up, and USD CAD, USD yen goes down. So that's what happened because USD was getting weaker. Beautiful by the book entry here and going down here. The entry was taken on again 15th and ended up closing here on 16th. Sell orders right there for 80 pip. And then see, like I said, USD gets weaker, then USD CAD, USD yen goes down. And all I had to do is drop my expert advisor here, and the robot takes the trade for me and plays the SL and all of that. So the only thing is that the target, I closed the trade manually. I mean, I can put the TP, it's in there, the feature is there in the expert advisor, but I like to close the trade manually based on this daily range calculation, all of that. And if it's not enough, then I'll let it go for the next day and then close. All right, so Euro Aussie from 7-minute chart, 110 pip trade, entry is right there. This is buy orders right there, sorry. And on the 16th, right? And then on the 16th, Euro Yen was going up again here. Buy orders right there. And this is a small euro, that arrow there shows that it is taken by the expert advisor. Mostly 99.99% trades are taken by the robot. Euro USD from 7-minute chart, you can see beautiful entry by the book here, buy orders right there, all the way into, it's 130 pip on 16th. On the 16th, pound USD also went up because USD was getting weaker. So this, pound USD, Euro USD goes up, and USD yen, USD CAD, which we already saw, they went down, right? So buy orders right there. Arrow shows that EA opened the trade and is for 90 pip. And this is Bitcoin buy orders right there. And this is the entry right there at 450 points on the 17th. On the 17th, gold going to the upside and 85 pip taken by this expert advisor. This one is a little different expert advisor because the setting is different, so I name it differently. Instead of changing the setting again and again and again, I just made a separate robot. This is called Sam's Oil and Gold. Beautiful, working beautifully. USD yen again going down from here for 70 pip on the 17th. Sell orders right there. And this is sell buy order. This was the order, then I closed, but I forgot to save the chart. So I don't have that chart. But then again, this one, this entry, you can see from here to here, 75 pip, pound Aussie, 17th, and buy order is right there. USD yen now going to the upside again. Now USD getting strong on the 18th. All right, after FOMC, I guess. So beautiful, from bearish became bullish. This was the, perfect entry, but it was somehow, I think I was late placing my 7-minute robot on the chart. So, yeah. So now USD getting strong and then beautiful entry taken by it here by the robot and for 135 pip on 18th. And this one also taken, but from the other chart, which was which is a 20-minute chart, is the next entry you will see. See right there. So the 7-minute entry was taken from here and then down the road. 20-minute chart entry also taken and then went up. See, this is the idea from 40-minute setup. First entry, let me show you my 40-minute chart, and it is always written there. After having a reversal candle on 40, the first entry, wait for a 7-minute or 20-minute entry, right? So either you take 7, or if you miss the 7-minute entry, then the 20-minute entry will show up later on, and you take that. Or you can take 7-minute and 20-minute both as well. But my robot do not open two trades at the same time. So if the robot opens the 7-minute chart entry, then if I see that 20-minute also showing up, the alarm is beeping, but it's not going to open, and not even the alarm is going to beep. No, I think the alarm beep. Sorry, the alarm beep, but it wouldn't open the trade. But I can open the trade manually. But since I have my account, I won't have the account. So we open the 7-minute, let's say in my account. Then if I see 20-minute entry, I'll open that into his account of the 20-minute. So this is how the system is, and then you can see here that's exactly what we did. It was open, the 7-minute chart open entry entry was open here, and then 20-minute entry later on right there. This is 20-minute chart USD on the 18th for 75 more pip. And now on 18 pound USD. Now, since USD start to get strong, USD yen going up, and then Euro USD, pound USD is supposed to be going down. So look what happened here. It was going down, and then boom, boom. Gave me the entry, 85 pip, sell orders right there. Very, very easy if you understand how to use my 40-minute chart and my these excuse me, Renko charts, entry charts, 7 and 20-minute. All right. Okay, so on the 18 euro yen, 75 pip from 7-minute chart, beautiful entry. Right, bearish, all of a sudden it become bullish, entry, 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 and gone. This is gold. This is the only one that today it is. I opened this based on my analysis, not using the system. To be honest with you, okay. That's why you'll not see arrow here because I open it manually right after this candle here. This is 1,000 box size chart, big chart, but I was expecting a drop. By the way, I showed it here, which on a break even I got knocked out. Then I showed it here. At the break even, I got knocked out. Then I showed it here again, and then it went down, and I ended up closing here for 450 pip. This drop here. When I make the gold video, you would understand why I was shorting from here, because I made the chart that it will be going down, right? For wave 4. So, okay, so pound yen going down here, sell orders right there on the 19th, Friday, today, for 90 pip. And this one is gold started to go up again, right? And the first entry came from this chart here for 150 box size here. On the 19th, you can see for 120 pip. Then it came down again, and then it went back up again, and I got that again as well. So this one again later on, the 1600 hour, you can see buy order again is right there. This is the entry, but this was also the entry. This was also the entry. This was also the entries. But I took the first one and 280 pip from there. So these are the trades almost, exactly 23 trades this week. So better than last 2 weeks, right? Last 2 weeks, we were ending up like 13, 14, 15 trades, something like that. But the volume start to pick up a little bit, September, October, even beginning of the November, we will have some decent volume and activity. And after that, in the mid-November and into December, we're going to slow down big time. All right, so this is a good time to do trading, and this is it for now. I just wanted to share with you guys that how we did here. And next video, I'm keep saying that I'm gonna make the video for gold, but I'm just keep postponing it. But hopefully tonight I'll make it and get ready for the next week. And the last video I made that I said gold is gonna drop for wave 4, and it did. It's dropping, and it already dropped, and it's here 61%. By the way, right? So hopefully it will be ready to drop next time. Next week. All right, and I'll make the video and I'll show you how exactly I trade that and how easy it is using my system, using my 1,000 box size and 150 box size combination. All right, so this is it for now. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, so do so. You will get my videos on time, and subscribe my YouTube channel on my website. You can go here on my website. This is the Telegram channel, sorry. And you can, this is a free one, right? You can subscribe, and then you're going to end up seeing that, how we're trading, what other trades are taken. All the trades here, not here, but recent trade tab. You can see all the trades over there one by one. The charts are posted there. I'll need to update this a little bit more here. See this gold? See that? I predicted this from here on the 18th August that this thing is going to go all the way up. And look, it went all the way up, straight line, right? Now I said I made the chart that's going to drop, and now we are dropping in wave 4. Then I'll make the video. Don't worry about that. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And if you want to get the system and learn how to do it, then you can come on my website, and then you have here one-on-one coaching. This is the best thing that I can offer. I will make you master of this business, not only the trading, A to Z, all the aspect, plus my system, and I'll give you the CTS7 to open the trades, and the Sam's Gold Oil and Gold robot as well. If you wish to trade the gold, right, profitably, that robot opens the trade for you, plays the SL, TP, all of that. So it's a very good system to understand. Once you understand, it becomes piece of cake. All right. And to understand, you must go with this, right? And if you watch my video and then you email me and mention that you watch my video and you want to get it, I'll give you 50% off over the weekend. If you do that, Saturday, Sunday, you can get the 50% off only if you give reference to this video that you watch the video and you want to get this one-on-one 10-hour course. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.